Well, guess we got that DIY Microlocks installed. Let's roll the film. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Locs by RN, and in this video I will be showing you what it looks like to get a Microlock installment on a thin fine hair. Well, I used to think I have a thick, stubborn, dense ear, and not until I realized my hair is thinned out and damaged and um, over the past few years due to lack of proper management and maintenance. And well, this is a rude awakening, but we're gonna get this done anyways. After researching my ways through the YouTube University, yeah, because I actually developed interest in this Microlocs, and I thought maybe it would be a great way to build my hair. I decided to go for the two-strand twist and decided I can actually do this myself. So let's make it a DIY project. This was spread over a couple days. In total, I spent like 21 hours with the installment and the interlock as well. And it took me a couple days to get it done, being that I walked to the front. I was particular about making it straight and neat and the parting, but maybe not the back too much. You see my edges, they're so thinned out and short, but we're gonna make this thing work and we're gonna grow them over a couple times. I mean, over the period of time. But this is what thin hair look like getting it microlocked. This is the back part. Let me warn you, this is not the best parting you will ever see, because I at some point I actually did not care what it looked like, the parting especially, because the hair would naturally fall back on its own and you won't even care what the parting looks like. I wonder what the maintenance would be like though. I hope it's easy to figure out, but um, a friend did my grid for me, but eventually I lost the grid, and I was like, well, whatever, let's just rock. Let's rock it. I had to go back, and it took me 24 hours, 21 hours, because I had to go back and take some down because I wanted at least 200 locks, and I don't want it too much also because I will be self-maintaining. But I wasn't getting up to 200, so I went back and took some down and reinstalled again. But I actually went out to dinner with this, and it was great. I mean, I rocked it like that. And this part is after I have interlocked my root. The front was so short that the edges actually they were short that I may have to use a crochet needle to get those interlocked. But the rest of the hair is interlocked, and I just used a mousse on it after I was done. And I think I'm loving the process. Yes, it's thin hair. Let's see how it grows and build up. But so far, I don't know. Maybe I will still be wearing wig to work. I don't know yet, but we'll see. I'm feeling myself here. Go. That took some time and dedication to make, but be sure to follow me on this channel, follow my progress, and let's put this together. Just in case you're thinking of getting this done yourself, subscribe, like, and feel free to drop your comments and suggestions for me. Thank you. Bye.